Tiny Tidy Tuesday, organizing and cleaning my craft table. Hi, it's Sharon, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And this is a collaboration, and it's hosted by Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. And there will be many other creators in this collaboration, and it will be in my comments down below. The playlist will be in my comments down below. So let's get busy and see what I'm going to tiny tidy today. I'm in my craft room, and there's always something to tidy up. And I am going to tidy up my desk and hopefully organize it somewhat. Who knows? Bunch of stuff that goes in the cupboard there, so we may as well open it. And this cupboard's still not in too bad a shape. These things all go down here, and we're getting them all off the desk. I've been busy crafting. If you watched my video, you will have seen the crafts that I made for spring. Some more paint. Much pie, everything goes. Has a spot in this cupboard, which is nice. And in that way I can find it again when I want it. Okay, I think that's it for that cupboard. I need to fix this. It says welcome. Bought it a while ago. Never did hang it up, but I'm going to hang it up for summer decor on my door. Okay. Well, I'm fooling around getting you set up into a spot where you can see my desk. It is a mess. Anyhow, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I'm so happy that you clicked on my channel, and I hope you enjoy what I tiny tidy today. And our co-host is Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. And please check out her channel. She has lots of fun stuff that she does. And she has the sweetest personality. Okay, let's get back to seeing what I'm up to. These go in my... Oh, this goes in that cupboard over there. Okay, some little stuff here. Put it in a bag. There will be a playlist in my comments down below, and there will be many, many tiny tidiers, and you will get lots of inspiration to organize and clean your home when you watch them. At this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to everyone else's if you haven't. Okay, let's get back to seeing what I'm up to. Okay, now this jar has a lid. I don't think it's that lid. Nope. This lid? Yes. And that goes in that cupboard over there. Okay, here's the pine cone, the little house, the board. Goes over here. Not in that one, in this one. Okay. That goes out to be washed. Those are clean. This should have a lid. And I think it's right in here. Oh, maybe not. It's got another blade. I think that blade would have a lid. I'll keep an eye out for it, just in case. It's my X-Acto knife. And put it back in the package. Put it in there. Those are little scissors. I really like my little caddies I bought, so I can keep stuff up here on the desk. And then I can just reach for it very easy. Even though it gets a bit cluttered. Brushes. These all go in the same closet. This is the lid for my buttons. This goes under here, which we're going to clean up. Got a couple of napkins. That one's no good. This is, oh, those are butterflies. These are good. And we got some garbage. Garbage. I'm very tired today. Seem to say that a lot lately, but we've been very, very busy with our faith, and we've had lots of different celebrations. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, I do have this cup here, and I'm going to make a teacup, and these are feathers from a bird that one of my friends and a subscriber gave to me, and I'm trying to decide how I'll do it and put a bird inside, make it all cute. So, oops. So we're going to keep that on the table. The bird fell on the floor. There we go. There, we'll put the bird in the cup. Okay, I'm going to get my drink of water. Butterfly. And these can go in here. We got a few things to go in the ribbon bin. And a few napkins that can get put away. And my ribbon maker. I'm gonna find a spot. I think this is for my X-Acto knife. So let's bring that out. I might still keep it in the bag, but definitely gonna put the lid on it. There we go. That feels safer. Okay. It's a piece of moss that needs to be put away. And this heart. Okay, I've got all these buttons. Those are beads you're hearing dropping. There's a little wooden bird. I might just put it in with my buttons. Okay. I have all kinds of buttons, like little butterflies, a Christmas tree, and my battery's dying, a little briefcase, flowers, an angel for Christmas. This is another butterfly. These are all buttons. And of course I got them thrifting. And I just sorted through a big thing of buttons that I got. I showed on another video a long time ago. So now I was playing around looking for buttons to put on my crafts. And this little sign says love. I'll have to remember that for Valentine's Day and use it on something. Okay, and this little plate can go in the garbage, and this can go in the cupboard. These can go down here. Okay, I'm going to put some of this stuff away. This goes over here. My napkin bin. This goes in my ribbon bin. I'm going to find a special home for this. I'm going to put it on there with that. This goes in here with projects to come. And this goes in with stuff. This is moss. So it goes in the moss cupboard. It's not moss, this is moss. Nope. Okay. I think we got most. Oh, I'm gonna put these away. This needs to go away. I might need my scrub daddy. And this goes in this cupboard. I need to open this more. I'm going to fix that. Because it's bugging me. And I might as well. There we go. There, now it should stay. Okay, I've got my 3 little things here that I like. I like to tidy them up. This stuff I want to find a home for, and I probably need my scrub daddy. And this stuff can all go in the garbage. So, let's bring my garbage over. There, that's pretty good. Okay, now my scraper. Got some glue on here, which might never come off. Okay, let's just give this part a power wash. What's this called? Dawn Power Wash. You know, my window. What did I do with my garbage bin? Okay. Okay. Let's just scrub this. For towel. We'll use that to wipe stuff up. Even though it's not. Okay. That looks better for that. Now let's wipe this up. Yeah, still got some marks here, but there we go. There, that's not bad. Here is a before picture of my craft table. Take this away and wash it and put these in the sink and rinse them out. I'm going to show you an after of my craft table. It looks pretty darn good. I am happy. Okay, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. And so now I have my desk all cleaned off. So for Fairy Garden Thursday, I'm going to start working on some of my summer fairy gardens and get them ready to get put out in the garden. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and thank you very much for Sunday. Thank you very much, Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. She puts us all in a playlist, so it's so easy for you to click on, and you can watch all of us do our tiny tidies and get lots and lots of motivation. So we'll see you in my next video, which is Fairy Garden Thursday. Okay, see you soon. Bye.